Racer here, 38 POS Racing. Today's project, we're going to reassemble the wiper setup. Got the parts laid out here. Got some grease for it here in the tube. And try to get them put back down in there. One thing I'll tell you, these guys, these pedestals, were originally held on with clutch head screws. They are a nemesis, at least on a 60-year-old car. But later model stuff use hex head. Same thread, got the lock washer under there, so we're good to go. Hold up underneath without losing it. There we go. Get some screws started in there so it don't run away this time. Easy as pie. We like pie. Pie's good. Had all this out for putting that windshield in. I thought I'd just as well tune this up while I'm there. Same arrangement on the other side. Snake it under, fit through, bring it up. Line it up. Get us some screws started in there. I didn't even lose any. Now you're not holding the head down. You don't have to crank the crap out of these. Right off, I don't actually remember which one of these goes on top. Kind of looks like that one worked. That looks pretty good. And then you got the Jesus clip. Because when it flies off, Jesus, where'd that go? Well, let's see if it goes around. Oh, look at that. Got our high speed. Let's take a closer look. Got high speed. Got low speed, park. There's low, there's high, low again, and park. play the radio. Well, next we got the trim clips and such to put on. Stay tuned.